Now we have all of the segments we need to construct the connector block. And here's what it's going to look like when it's finished. And you'll notice that these little medium pieces are in each corner at the bottom. So this is how we're going to piece them. We're going to start with the strata 3 segments. We're going to sew one onto each of the strata 4 segments. And so you'll notice that half of them are going to be left-hand side and half are going to be right-hand side. So you're going to take, for the throw size, you're going to do 20 on the right-hand side and 20 on the left-hand side. For the double size, you're going to do 40 on the right and 40 on the left. And when you piece these together, you'll put them like this and stitch down here, and then you'll press both sides toward the dark 3 fabric. When those are done, we're going to stitch the right hand side to the right side of the strata 5 and the left hand side to the left side of strata 5. When you finish this, we're going to press toward stratas 3 and 4, so towards this little dark section here. And this is what you have when it's finished. And here you can see these ends are pressed outward toward the dark fabrics down here. And when you're finished, you'll have 20 of these for the throw size and 40 for the double size. And then we'll move on to bag RB3, where we'll piece the 9 patch blocks.